Hi everybody, it's Jen Labre and I'm here today with a brand new card. It's been a couple weeks and I'm glad to be back. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Today we're going to be using the Floral Frames bundle. So we've got the Floral Frames stamp set, which is gorgeous. I love the sentiments and all the flowers. And then it comes with the foliage framelets. Say that 5 times fast. So the dies. So we're going to use both of those today. This is the card that we're going to be making. Hopefully you can see that sparkle. It says hello. Okay, so let's get started. First thing we're going to do is grab a sheet of Whisper White cardstock, cut it in half horizontally, and then we're going to score it at 4 1/4. That just helps with folding it easier. And I'm going to use my bone folder to give it a good crease. Okay, first thing we're going to do is stamp this rather large frame stamp. And to do that, we're going to use our Stamparatus, which helps us give a good stamped image. So we'll put our card on the Stamparatus. If I can get these magnets up. Might I suggest, if you have these magnets, that you use duct tape. I've used washi tape and they keep coming off. And now I got them stuck together. Washi tape is not very good at staying on the magnets. So we're going to put our card down there, grab our stamp, and I'm going to put the three flowers on the bottom and the 2 on top. So we'll put that right in the middle. Grab it with our Stamparatus. We're going to be using the Tuxedo Black Memento ink today. We are going to be using Stampin' Blends, so this is a good ink to use with those. And we'll get that all inked up there. Press gently but firmly, and that looks really good. I'll clean off the stamp with my chamois. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is grab our layering circles. Oh, I got something on there. Let's get that off the chamois. Okay, we're going to grab the Layering Circles Framelits dies, and I have one here that looks like it's about 2 inches in diameter, give or take. Yeah, about 2 inches, and you'll notice it fits right inside the frame here. That's what I'm looking for. So that's the one we want. We'll grab our Sizzix Big Shot, and we're going to open the card because we don't want to cut through both sides, and we'll place that right in the middle there. Put our plate on top and get that going. Oops. That going through. There we go. Put that aside for right now. And you'll see I've got a nice circle right there, which is perfect for our sentiment. So we'll grab our hello. Of course, you can use any of the sentiments you wish. I like making cards that I can use for a number of occasions. And hello is perfect. We'll close that and just stamp right in the middle. There we go. clean that off. Okay, we're going to set that aside for right now, and we're going to grab a sheet of Whisper White. Just a scratch sheet is fine because we're going to be stamping the flowers. So we're going to grab our C block, again with the Memento ink, and just stamp it. Do the same thing with the two flowers. Perfect. Now we're going to do some coloring. We're done with our stamping. And for the coloring, I've selected dark Granny Apple Green and dark Flirty Flamingo. Now I didn't do this ahead of time, so you'll have to patiently watch me color, but I'll try and be quick here. We're just going to color these flowers that we just stamped. I don't really mind too much if I go out of the lines. It just gives a little bit of hand coloring look to it. Of course, everyone likes to be perfect, but if I was perfect, I don't think I'd ever get a card made. Okay, we got those two made. We still have to color the card yet, but first let's cut these out. Again, we're going to use the foliage framelets. And we'll grab the flower dies. These are very cool dies. You can see there's a lot of leafy pieces to it, and another frame, and actually another frame here as well. So a lot of very cool dies to this set. I really love this set, in case you can't tell. So let's grab our Big Shot again. And we'll put this right on here. And that's not how it goes. Let's see. Here we go. Try and center that as much as you can. I'm not using my magnetic platform this time, so I really try and line it up. We'll run that through. Okay. You can see I cut a little bit of the flowers off, but not a big deal. We are not aiming for perfection here. Okay, so we'll set those aside for right now, and we need to color up the rest of the card. We're going to open it to color it, and for this we just need the green. Actually, I'm going to use the smaller nib side. Helps with getting into the smaller areas. And we're just coloring the little leafy parts. And again, you could color these any color that you wanted to. I just thought these were nice colors to go together. I really love our stamping blends. They color so well. And we're almost finished here. we go. And then we're going to use our dimensionals to attach the flowers. So we're going to grab, here's the 3 flowers, stick a dimensional on there, and upside down. There we go. Let's just make sure we got it in the right. Nope. There we go. Grab another dimensional. Whoops. Not quite in the right spot. There we go. And last but not least, we're going to take some of our rhinestone basic jewels and our take your pick tool, and we'll just grab some of these little ones and place them right in the center of the flowers. Just to give it a little extra sparkle, which I love. If you haven't checked out the Take Your Pick tool yet, you really should. It's available in the holiday catalog. It will be carrying over. It's a great tool to have. Just put these away quickly. And then here you go. There's your card. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please feel free to check out my blog at jenniferlabre.com for all the products used and other information, including specials going on with Stampin' Up. And I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit subscribe. Bye-bye.